sky's the limit. You can do anything you put your mind to, man. Anything. It's you versus you, baby. It's you versus you. Yeah. I can see the stars. They're beyond my eye. No, I'm just talking. Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Too Funny. We were back with another video, and today, I'm going crazy. This day in the life. I feel like I had a little busy day today. I gotta go to Sam's. Gotta go to my vending machines. If you didn't know, I got 2 vending machines. I'm gonna show you later in the video. I got 2 vending machines. I gotta go fill up. I gotta work out later, and then shoot, I gotta make some content later. So just a little day in the life, just giving y'all advice, showing y'all my little life, and you know, that's about it. If you haven't tuned in, I've just put the stars in like last night. As of right now, it's like 10 a.m. in the morning, so that's my voice like this. So, but hey, grind don't stop, and shoot, money don't stop. So hey, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you tuned in. I love you, and we finna run it up together. I'm finna show y'all how to make, you know, get a little few extra change on the side, vending machine and stuff. So y'all stay tuned in on the gang. Alright, too, we in Sam's right now. We're shopping. So, if you have a vending machine, for sure, to make profit, you gotta make sure, like, you go to Sam's. You know, make sure you go find somewhere that got the discounts. So when you put your products, no, you're good. When you put your products in the vending machine, you'll make sure you're getting that little money back. So I go to Sam's, you know, get a variety of everything. And you know, put the items in there, hey, and let them do that. And my vending machine is located, at a international school. So it's at a school, but it's for teachers and staff and stuff, for like adults. But I'm lucky about done. I was just trying to show y'all that, you know, I go to Sam's usually, or Kroger. Kroger be having the discount, but after this I'm gonna go to Kroger, because Kroger got sodas for sale for like, if you buy like $12.99, so like, you feel me, that's a good deal, because I'm gonna get that profit back. I sell my sodas for like $1.50. But yeah, man, just a day in the life with your boy, DJ Too Funny. But we finna see. Don't do it. Okay. Don't get low. He's looking at me. Gotta get the cheese mix. All right, now we just gotta get some water and we can head up out of here. Hey, oh yeah, the sponsor of this video is Little Clothing. Feel me, y'all go shop. Beanies are tough. This jacket, you feel me, his Instagram somewhere on the top, but jacket tough and everything. So I appreciate y'all for sharing the love to your boy. I'm gonna get a big check because they look. Booyah!
¿Verdad que sí? El de niño está lindo. Y en Navidad, pero hace tiempo no. Es que a mí me gusta. No tengo problema. Le dice, es animal abuse. Entonces, no, ese no ha ido. Y voy a sacar de allá, puedes pagar para. Que te dé una patadita. No, que hay que dice que la pizza es San Antonio, que hay que acaba de ir. Pero si quieren aprovechar los tickets de es hasta el 31 de marzo. Los tickets de 50 entran gratis. Ese está de Venezuela. Intenta llenarlo a ver si te vayan. Puedes intentarlo. A no ser que te piden allá. Pocas. Pero yo no, yo los veo de lejos. ¿Por qué? Interactuar con ellos. Y también son los de Kinder y de 5 para abajo, ¿no? Está lindo, yo llevaba a mi esposo.
Alright, y'all, man. Y'all seen I was at the vending machine and stuff. You there?
I always got my camera bag with me.
But yeah, I was at the vending machine, man. Shoot, just day in the life. It's nothing crazy. I'm with the gang now. I'm trying to tell y'all, I don't know what's be happening. Stuff just be happening. Glad I got the phone out today, though. Well, I think right now we got a little commercial, just a little shoot. A little something, nothing crazy. Just show my face, you feel me? After that, I'm gonna probably work out a little later, so y'all stay tuned in. Boy, I have to go to my vending machines. Money come first. Them weights can wait. But yeah, y'all stay tuned in. On the game! Alright, YouTube. We are back at the crib. That was pretty much my day in the life today. I forgot to record for y'all when I was at the other little scene, but it was pretty much like they wanted us to do a commercial, have a little photo shoot, and I forgot to record on my phone for y'all. But lastly, now I just got to work out. I usually work out in my garage, have some little dumbbells, but today leg day, so gotta get my reps in. I'm not gonna show y'all too much, bro. But yeah, today's leg day. Hey. And I usually just do some ab workouts in the between times. Hey, move. That's Dior. But this ab workout is something simple, like anybody can do it. Move, Dior. Move now. Oh. Move. Stop. I usually do 50 on each leg. Oh yeah. It's whatever on y'all, man. If you want to be great, you feel me? You're going to want to be great. You're going to want to work hard. You're going to want to do this and that. Like how William said, if I see it, I can get it. If I can touch it, I can get it. You feel me? So I feel like anything's possible. If you got God, amen. It's, I don't know, man. I don't know. She just be crazy. But all my workouts, I usually do like 4 sets of that. And then I probably do something at the ring. Nothing crazy. But yeah, let me know in the comment section. The comment section. Like, what y'all want to see, man? I bring it all. You feel me? I'm trying to be number 1. I ain't gonna be number 1. At last. But yeah, nah, for sure. It's whatever, man. The sky's the limit. You can do anything you put your mind to, man. Anything. It's you versus you, baby. It's you versus you. It's all on you, man. It's all on you. But I'm gonna do one more set for y'all. And then I'm gonna let y'all go, man. Y'all have a blessed day. DJ Too Funny. We out, man.